Pay homage to him.
What up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. Thought forms. How to deal with these thought forms. In one ear and out the other. Our minds are being constantly programmed. We are in a war, and the war is against your mind.
Do it! Just do it!
The mind control and the programming is set in, and we have to be aware of the games that's being played with the masses. There's another enemy or energy out there. The one that wants you to eat them up, swallow them, digest them, and believe that's what you are.
Get over here!
They're trying to host your being down here on Earth and live on as they see fit. Thought forms, low vibrational thought forms. These low vibrational thought forms and ideas are not you, and are entities that want to attach to your God body. But these thought forms cannot survive unless you give them permission to. You have all the cards in your hands. Don't get bullied by a thought. You're bigger than a thought form, greater than the ego. Thoughts need energy to survive. What is emotions? Energy in motion. So if you're not feeding these low vibrational thoughts with emotion, they can't survive. In order to be animated, they need energy and motion, emotions, to make you move how they want you to. These entities or ego-driven thoughts are trying to survive in a host like you.
Nope.
Why? Because you're special, and they know you know. They want to try to slip in and live and strive off a wrench like you. Hell, they already have the masses. The automatons believe these thought forms are them. They actually engulf these low vibrational thoughts and move how the thoughts want them to move. Their emotions are predicated on thoughts that's not even them. Not true. Why do you think we see so many of our people run into vices and substances for an escape? Numbing themselves with weed and alcohol instead of challenging these aspects of themselves that aren't real. Even the not so noticeable vices like food, shopping, TV, and all the escapism tricks people do. People running away from the false entities living inside of them. Hoping for a glimmer of happiness in their distraction. Suppressing these thoughts are just making them run supreme in your being. You know better than that. Ye are God. You are a chaos being. You are in control and run the show. And these thought forms are just trying to find ways and tricks to stay alive.
Message!
Challenge them. Laugh at them. Don't let it build on you because you're seeing outside tricks that agree with the thought. Remember, everything starts from within. So the outside world is just a projection of your inside universe. These entities or ego-driven thoughts will disguise themselves as situations happening to you. All of a sudden, you're making love, and instead of being the Long John Silver God you know you are, you have a Minuteman night. And here comes the demiurge. See? I told your ass. I told you little Bo Peep sheep. But your true being is really Mr. Monster Meat. These thoughts ain't real, and the situations that come with the thoughts are just you magnetizing the idea or the low vibrational energy. Feeding the thought with your emotions instead of letting that thought pass by. In one ear and out the other. Don't allow low vibrational energy, low vibrational ideas to fester and build a community in your being. Eradicate the thought. Affirmations, meditations, seeing yourself as a winner in your visualization techniques, working on your chakras, doing things to prove that thought form wrong. Remember, you're before creation and before the demiurge God. Chaos. In order to live in your chaos, you must know that them thoughts, these entities, don't want nothing but life. And they're looking at you as a life form they can occupy. Laugh at them when they come up. Quit feeding yourself this trash. Saying to yourself, "Ooh, it tastes so good." And just know, just remember, you are what you eat. Dream wise.